What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're gonna talk about a couple of my pistols. All right, first one I'm gonna talk about is my TP9 SFX Whiteout. This is the whiteout version. It shoots 9 millimeter, and what I've done to this is I've equipped it with a 4.5 blast compensator. You can get those for 200 and some change. I'm not sure exactly what the price is, but yeah, definitely go check them out. It enhances the gun. It makes it look pretty awesome. And I've never shot this gun, so I can't tell you how it shoots, but trigger feels awesome on it playing with it. And and I will say that I don't know. A lot of people say these guns are never going to be worth anything, but you know what? I think I'm going to wait and see. Wait and see. But that is my TP9 SFX white out. All right. Now let's go here. This is the Rock Island, Rock Island M1911A2 TAC Ultra High Cap 45 ACP. I know that's a mouthful. It's a long name, but yeah, this is a double stack 45. This is not a 2011 because it does not have a detachable grip module. This is all melded into the frame, so this is not considered a 2011 because it does not have a removable grip module. But this gun is awesome nonetheless. Nonetheless, it's a heavy gun and it shoots well. And the only thing that I've actually done to this gun is change out the grips. Change out the grips. And this is a very reliable, good shooting weapon. Good shooting weapon. Good shooting weapon. All right, let's see which one we're gonna do next. Let's do this one. This is the Tang Folio. Let's see if you can see that. Defiant Stock Master. Tang Folio Defiant Stock Master. And this gun is actually awesome. It's very well balanced. And, I have never had a malfunction out of this gun. All right. Now, I know a lot of people get on here and talk about guns never having malfunctions. I have guns that have had malfunctions, and you tend to not ever see them on the channel again. So if you see them more than once, that means they've been running pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. All right. So this right here is like I said, the Tang Folio Defiant Stock Master. It is a weighty gun. It has weight to it, but the weight mitigates recoil. And let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you got your lightning cuts on it. And I put a mag well on it, and I put a magazine extension. Other than that, I have not done anything else to this weapon. I haven't done anything else to this weapon because it does not need anything else done to it. This gun is actually just awesome from the get go. Awesome from the get go. Didn't even need the mag. Well, I just did it because I was like, all right, I gotta do something to this thing because I do something to everything. So there you have it. Tanfolio Defiant Stock Master. All right. Let's jump all the way up here to the Beretta M9A4. Beretta M9A4. Now, this weapon I have done a lot to. And let's see. Starting at the magwell, put the new magwell on it, put the magazine base plate, changed out the trigger to the Volker Precision. Volker Precision trigger. This is an awesome trigger. Yeah, and hey, yeah, so much better than the stock one. And put the compensator on the front. With the compensator, this stuck out about quarter inch maybe. Yeah, and it had to be sanded down to make it flush. And of course, we got the War Chief grips on here. War Chief grips. And this gun right here is a gun that I carry on me all the time. She pretty much goes with me everywhere. I love this gun. I love the way the trigger feels. The capacity is great. The decocking is great. Has a decocker on it. So that is awesome. That is awesome. And a lot of the times people talk to me about what they need to do to get comfortable carrying one in the chamber. Well, this right here allows you to carry one in the chamber because you have a hard initial pull. And then after the first shot, everything else is just ready to go. So that is the beauty of having a decocker on your weapon. You carry one in the chamber for those who are uncomfortable, and that's just my advice. There are other things that other people may suggest, and you figure out what makes you feel the most comfortable and go from there. All right. So this is my Beretta M9A4. M9A4. All right. So now we have the TP9 SFX Blackout. This is the companion piece to the Whiteout. And yes, this has the 4.5 blast on it as well. And on this one, I actually did the handle it grips on here. I put that on there. There's a whole tutorial on the channel on how to put handle it grips on your weapons. I've done several of my weapons with the handle it grip, the stippling on there. So yeah, if you would like to know how to do that, it's all on the channel. It is all on the channel. And this is another one that I have not shot. I I guess somewhere in my mind I'm like, okay, I need to have the complete set, the blackout and the whiteout, never been shot before. Blackout, whiteout, never been shot before. So these just sit in the safe and like what they call it, safe queens. Safe queens. All right. Ebony and ivory, freaking frack, yin and yang up in this time. All right, so this is the blackout. The blackout. I like it. I like it. I like it. I probably should go ahead and shoot it. Probably won't get as dirty as the whiteout, because I know that's just gonna be completely destroyed if I shoot it. So, all right, all right. So, blackout, whiteout. Let's go to this other Canik. This is the Canik Rival S, SFX Rival S, and this is the all steel version of the Canik Rival. I have the polymer version as well. It's in the safe. I did not feel the need to pull the polymer. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna let that polymer one go because I don't really feel the need to get it now. I may have to get the dark side version of this, but that's another video. All right, so we have the Rival S. This is the chrome version, and yes, I have put the 4.5 blast on this one as well. And like I say, these run about two and some change. Go to their website to get the exact price. But these are rail mounted compensators that they make for Caniks, and so far so good. And this one I am shooting, so I don't have a problem shooting this one. So we're gonna get this one to the range, get that video out to you. You know what I'm saying? But I like the balance of this gun. I like the way it feels, and the trigger is absolutely awesome. This trigger is definitely living up to all the hype. It is absolutely amazing, and I must say, I had my doubts, but now I'm a believer. This is a great, great, great trigger. Great trigger. And just so you'll see, that's how the compensator looks when it's cocked back. Compensator does not move. The barrel is not attached to the compensator. So there we go. This is the Canik SFX Rival S. Rival S. All right. One last gun to go in this video is the big dog. It's my Taurus Raging Hunter 357 Magnum 5.12 inch. 5.12 inch. And this is a 7-shot 357 Magnum. 7-shot 357 Magnum. This is a heavy gun as well. And as you see, I've changed out the grips on here from These are from mwgrips.com. mwgrips.com. You can get grips for all of your Taurus revolvers there. They make absolutely awesome grips. Awesome grips. So you definitely got to go check them out. And I like this gun because it just looks mean. Looks mean as hell. Has the ported barrel and the barrel shroud over the barrel. And this gun, believe it or not, with this grip on it, it is actually very manageable and actually fun to shoot. You know, as you see, the grip actually extends further than the stock grip, and you're able to get a good handle on this beast, a great handle on this beast. So this is a fun gun to shoot. Definitely a fun gun to shoot. And you know, it was actually kind of a hard gun to find brand new. Yeah, I seen a few of them on Gun Broker used, but brand new, the 5.12 inch was kind of hard to find. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. They might not be that hard to find no more. But when I was looking for one, looking for this one, it was kind of hard to find. But I got me one. I got me one. This is the Raging Hunter 357 Magnum 5.12 inch. All right. So that's just a rundown of the guns that I had sitting out at the moment. You know, and now I'll do some more of my pistols here, you know, here pretty soon. And I got a man. Yeah, definitely gonna be a couple of videos to get through all the pistols. But here, like I said, just a few of them. Hit me up. Tell me which one you think is the best one, which one you like the best. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. And also hit them notifications so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.